Are you guys looking for the best possible platform for dividend investing or just to invest in the stock market? Well, if you are, today is your lucky day because in this video, I'm going to review everything you need to know about the M1 Finance platform. Hey guys, my name's Thiago. Welcome to another stock market segment. In this channel, we talk business, personal finance, and lifestyle, and I teach you guys practical tips and tricks on how to get ahead in life. So if you guys like stuff like this, make sure you subscribe. So the age of mobile investing is among us. We have many options to choose from, ranging from big companies like Charles Schwab to great startups like M1 Financing. Now let's talk about the app overview. The M1 Financing platform is a platform that is geared towards investment automation. It's not necessarily a robo-advisor, but what it basically does is it facilitates and streamlines your investing. The way it does this is it provides you with an option of 80 different pre-built portfolios that are known as pies. All of these portfolios are made up of different company stocks, different strategies, and it all depends on what you want to do. So we're going to start off with the basics. How do you open up an account with M1 Financing? To start up a basic account with M1 Financing, you will need a minimum of $100 to start investing. If you're starting a retirement account, then you need a minimum of $500. Now let's dive deep and talk about portfolio customization. Now, even though M1 Financing provides you with an option of 80 different investment portfolios that are pre-built, you don't have to choose any of them. You can start off and build your own as you go. If you want, you can create your own investment pie, which basically is a group of stocks that it's shown like a pie and it breaks down what your investment looks like. Now, this, in my opinion, is one of the areas that M1 Financing excels in, because once you create your investment portfolio, it gives you a really good breakdown and view of what you're actually doing. It also has really cool research tools and an interface that's easy to use. Now let's talk about portfolio management. This is another area where M1 Financing excels. Now, once you actually set up your portfolio with M1 Financing, what it can do for you is it rebalances your portfolio for you. You have to set this up, but if you have a part of your portfolio that is underweight, it will actually sell off some of that and invest it to where the funds need to be. That way your portfolio can be balanced. This feature is called dynamic rebalancing. Now, this allows for a hands-free experience and you don't have to worry about doing this. Now, one downside is that they only have one window a day for you to place trades in if you're a regular member. If you're an M1 Plus member and have at least $25,000 in the account, you can place trades in 2 windows during the day. Now, another benefit is that when you're withdrawing your funds, they can actually take out the taxes, and this will help you so you don't have to pay additional taxes when you're doing your taxes. That was a lot of taxes. Anyways, let's move on. Now, speaking of taxes, a bad part is that there's no tax law harvesting software or way to do it through M1 Financing. So if you have a lot of money invested in your portfolio and you need to save money on capital gains, there's no way to do it. You're gonna have to find some other way to do it. Now let's talk about your desktop experience. Now the website is very straightforward and easy to use. It's also well built and has a very pleasing interface. This works very well if you're a beginner investor. Now let's talk about the mobile experience. Now the mobile app is just as pleasing as the website. It's very easy to use, and again, if you're a beginner investor, it's going to be very easy for you to start learning how to use this platform. Now let's talk about customer service. Now the customer service with M1 Financing is okay. It's a hit or miss. You can call in and talk to somebody, but most of the time it's not going to be that helpful. You have a chat bot through the website and you can email them. And if you have luck with that, then you might as well play the lottery because you're probably going to win. Now let's talk about the education through the platform. Now in M1 Financing, there is a library of blogs and education. The education is not going to be geared towards learning how to invest. You're going to learn more about how to use the platform and how to invest for the long term. So if you want to learn how to invest and which stocks you should pick, there's other resources you can look for online. Now here's the good part. Let's talk about fees. So M1 Finance is a commission-free platform. There is no fees attached to it unless you pay for the Plus membership, in which you pay $125 extra a year. Here are a couple different services that M1 Financing offers. Now, they provide the investment platform, of course. You will have access to M1 Borrow. Now, this will allow you to borrow money from margin. All you have to do is have at least $5,000 in the M1 platform, and if you have a normal account, you'll be able to borrow 3.5%. If you have the Plus account, you'll be able to get a 2% interest rate if you borrow money. You can get a checking account, which will give you 1% APY. You can also earn 10% when you sign up for the owner's credit card. Now let's talk about retirement. Now, M1 offers your traditional, your Roth, and your SEP IRA retirement accounts. So before we talked about the M1 Plus, let's actually talk about the benefits and what you get with that. Again, you get an extra afternoon trading window. You get access to custodial accounts. You get smart transfers. So if you don't know what that is, you can go on the website and look that up. You get margin loans at a discount rate. And for me, this is actually the best feature if you're going to use that money for something. You get 1% interest on your balance. You get 1% cash back on your debit card. You get up to 4 ATM fee reimbursements per year. You get all of your international fees reimbursed. Now, I talked enough about this platform. Let me actually talk to you guys about why I'm thinking of switching from Charles Schwab to M1 Financing. By the way, I did make a video that goes over the pros and cons, and it compares both of them, Charles Schwab versus Robinhood. So if you guys are interested in this video, I'm going to link it up above. So at this point, I've been using Charles Schwab for about 2 years. I love the platform. I have nothing but good things to say. The only two things I don't like about Charles Schwab is one, the user interface, and the margin rates, which are trash. Now, if you're watching this video and by chance you work for Charles Schwab, and by chance again if you work for the app division, you guys gotta fix something, guys. Come on now. You know, this is not acceptable. You guys have a great platform with a lot of possibilities. It's time to change. Now, enough of me talking. I want to hear from you guys. Do you guys use M1 Financing? If you use M1 Financing, what do you guys like about the platform? I want to know, is there something that I didn't mention about it, or is there something that I need to know? Drop me a comment down below. Also, I want to ask you guys for your help. If you guys want me to continue making content, make sure you guys hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way I can continue making some killer videos like these on this channel. And if you guys made it this far, what I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to link some videos on the screen so you guys can binge watch. Hey guys, it's been great. Till next time.